My name is Miranda, and today is the 3rd of May. It's a Wednesday. Well, you might not be viewing this today, but if you are, high five. I'm doing a video for Mr. Rasmussen's video production class. I'm going to talk about rain today. I don't really like rain, but sometimes I do, like when I'm really hot, like right after I've been working out or something. I really like the rain then, but other times I'm just like, no, I don't like it. Stay away from me. I hate it. A lot of people, like some people actually like the rain. And then some people say they like the rain, but then when it rains, they're just like, I'm not going out there. It's like, what? If you like the rain so much, why don't you go outside? I mean, seriously. Stupid, but, yeah. I hate the rain. I do. I don't... I like the sunny weather. I really love the sunny weather. It doesn't look like I get much sun because I don't over here. But yeah. It is May, so I'm hoping to get more sun soon. I'm really hoping to get more sun soon. If I don't, I'm gonna cry. Sun makes me happy. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this video up now, so, bye.